Welcome to visit Telpi Huayang Factory. It is a leading enameled wire manufacturer in China. Provides enameled copper wire, enameled aluminum wire for transformer and motor windings. Production line of enameled round copper wire. Multiple production lines, monthly output reaches 18,000 tons. Robot automatic spool change. Production lines of enameled flat copper wire. Automated transport. Production lines of fiberglass covered wire. Production lines of paper-covered wire. All types of enameled wires. Warehouse.